Hello everyone, welcome back to the original craft Oasis where creativity meets tranquility. Today we are diving into the art of capturing the serene beauty of a sunset sea beach through drawing. So grab your sketchbook and let's embark on this artistic journey together. To begin, sketch a gentle horizon line across your canvas, making the meeting point of the vast sky and the endless sea. Next, dip your brush into the vibrant hues of orange, pink, and gold, blending them seamlessly to recreate the breathtaking colors of a sunset sky. Now envision the sun gracefully descending below the horizon, casting the warm glow across the tranquil waters. Capture the mesmerizing reflection dancing upon the surface of the sea as the sun bids farewell to another day. With delicate strokes, sketch the rhythmic waves creasing the sandy shore, each crest and turf adding depth to your masterpiece. Add the silhouettes of palm trees swaying into the ocean breeze, their graceful forms enhancing the tropical ambience of your artwork. Finally, add the finishing touches, seagulls soaring in the distance, seashells scattered along the sea line, and perhaps a long figure basking in the tranquility of the moment. And there you have it, a breathtaking depiction of a sunset sea beach crafted with love and imagination. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artistic inspiration from the original Craft Oasis channel. Until next time, keep creating and embracing the beauty that surrounds us. Thank you so much for watching this video.